guys, believe it or not, Easter is approaching very soon, and to be honest, I'm not sure where this year is going. So fast, too fast. But Easter is one of my favorite holidays, and I'm here today to do first DIY for Easter 2018, and we are making something really cute today. This is a good DIY for kids too, so if you have kids, this will be super fun for them because it includes a lot of different materials, like a lot of different textures, glue, of course, shiny stuff, and I think it's really like these kinds of DIY, and it's good to just represent a holiday to them, you know, and it's a beautiful memory when they grow up. So today we're making little chickens. What you will need for this DIY is a Kinder egg. I know they don't sell Kinder eggs in all the countries of this world, but in majority of them they do. So just buy one Kinder egg, and when you open the chocolate part, you have this plastic egg that contains the toy inside. And this is how it looks like. I washed it, of course, from the chocolate. You need one of these for 2 chickens. So you will have a big chicken and you will have a small chicken. And then we will cut it. We need to cut it, this part, and we need to like trim the edges not to be sharp. So let's do that. Thing about this plastic is it's very soft plastic. Don't worry, your kid will not, like, this is not sharp enough to cut. Okay, next step is to put glue on the plastic egg and to wrap it around with wool. You can use some other material, but I like using wool because it looks nice. And you will need the yellow one. I think this looks the most like chickens, yeah? Like, you'll just need some kind of wool and you choose your color. In years, I would say the yellow is the best choice, but it's up to you. You know, if you're playful, maybe you want your chickens to be pink. I really don't know, and it's up to you how you want them to look like. The second thing that you need to take care of is that your glue cannot be too liquid, because if it's too liquid, it will be very hard to glue the wool on the plastic egg. You need some kind of glue that is just sticky, but it's not liquid. It's like more jelly. I tried doing this 1 year with super glue and it didn't work out well because the wool becomes very stiff, you know, from the super glue. It just looks awful. It looks really bad. So I'm using this one today. It's Moment Classic Universal Glue. It's produced by Hemolak in Slovakia. I love this glue because when it dries, it becomes like transparent yellowish, you know. And what we will do now is to put our glue on the eggs. And I will speed up as always this DIY because we will not stay here for an hour. Let the glue to dry a bit, and then you take your wool and start gluing it from the bottom to the top. So when you finish, it will look something like this, and I advise you to let it dry. So as you saw, you try to cover the best you can. And now it looks really nice. This wool is really nice. You see how shiny it is? I'm loving it. I love a good material. And now we will put eyes and a little nose on our chicken. And I have multiple choices for eyes and nose. I always put these little like beads, orange beads, were for the nose. I have better options now. I will show you. So you can put this for the nose and black beads for the eyes, for example. Or we have these rhinestones. I buy a lot of these rhinestones. These are the round ones. So we will use the black ones or the blue ones for the eyes. And I have these triangle ones that you can use, these orange or yellow ones for the nose. One more option is this. This is also nail decoration. And you have a lot of different like motifs. I love this very much. And you cut them with the little knives that you get. So this is a little like knife that you get. It's pretty sharp, so do not give this to a child, okay? Don't play with this. When I bought these materials on Tmart, I will link down below the website, you get these knives together. I cut these little hearts and look how cute that looks like. Like, that's adorable. And I think I will put that instead of the mouth for the chicken. I think that's super adorable. I think this little chicken will have blue eyes. Find the, you see that back side where we cut it? Do you see it? Try that to be a back side of your head, okay? So don't glue the eyes on that side, but on the opposite one, okay? Come on, guys, this is adorable. And then he needs his hair done. So we will put the feathers on his head. I mean, I know the chicken doesn't look like this, okay? This is just a decoration that we put in the basket among the eggs. So it looks really cute. We will put the feathers on his head and then he's done. You can put fake feathers or you can put feathers that you find on the ground, okay? That you like find in the woods and stuff like that, in the parks. What you do is just put a little bit of glue on the top of his head and you glue the feathers like this. This is how the small chicken looks like when it's done. It's super cute to put it around the eggs just as a decoration. And it's easy DIY, you know, it's easy to make. And now we will repeat the whole step for the big one. I will speed it up and I will see you at the end of this video. And yeah, this is how the end chickens look like. You have the small one and you have the big one.